A senior UNEP official said that the implementation of flagship projects aimed at restoring degraded ecosystems has been accelerated worldwide, injecting vitality into global green agendas. Natalia Alexeyeva, the UNEP coordinator for the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration, said there are concerted efforts to reclaim natural habitats that sustain human livelihoods through targeted funding and policy support.
The UN Decade is exactly addressing several challenges, and of course we're also targeting the Sustainable Development Goals. These are spanning across the climate change agenda, biodiversity agenda, nature restoration agenda. Basically the decade was designed to support all these actions in advancing Sustainable Development Goals, and of course also supporting the Paris Agreement and the Convention on the Biological Diversity.
Coordinated by the UNEP and the UN Food and Agriculture Organization, the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration seeks to prevent and reverse the degradation of habitats globally and boost action on poverty and the climate crisis. She also said the decade has drawn inspiration from China's commitment to restoring degraded habitats by leveraging government support and homegrown innovations.
So we would be happy to see how China's experience can be shared with other countries, because they have very nice examples from their own national flagships.